Okay, it's starting. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Remember,
Now let's see.
get close.
I don't want to get cut.
Not too close, but close. Okay. I'm gonna kill him. Oh, ready? Ready? Watch this. Out of control.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. I'm going down. Can he make the landing safely? Can he make it safely? And low battery. Jackson, low battery.
It's not low.
20%.
Stop. Okay.
Dismiss.
Oh my god. It actually is out of control.
Are you pressing turn?
No. I know how to fix it, but it's not fixing. Maybe it's going the other way. Do you think it's going down? Boom! In the chair! Alright. Alright, Cameron, you try.
Okay.
Sec. Hold. Take this. Take this.
Put this on the ground.
Whoa! Dang, that's close.
Oh
Yeah,
my
that's
goodness.
why I don't want you to stop. If you crash again, I have to take it away from you.
Skill.
Stop. Up.
Oh. Yeah. And he's gonna touch down too. Oh.
And he's going down to but he can't do it. Oh, he did it.
I'm scared.
I was doing this just as good as you were. Alright, take it down for a landing. It's almost my turn. And he lands. Okay, because I only got a minute and you've got a minute and a half so far. Here,
Right.
take it. Closer.
No.
Spin.
Can he make it?
No, I'm going to fly around for a little.
You fixed it.
I'm going right for you.
No.
Stop running so much. You're running so much. Don't run so much. You're making the camera all sloppy. Get close. Not too close, but close. Stop.
You killed it. He's like, Mayday. He's like, Mayday, I'm gonna die.
Okay. That was just practice.
Whoa. Let's go. Wham.
It's 3D. Ah! Look at this bird.
Look at that bird. Isn't she a beauty? Oh, Jackson, let's turn the light off.
And he's going for a landing. He's going for a landing, you know. He's going for a landing.
He scored.
Well, if we turn the light off, we have to. We can't see. Yeah. The camera's bad.
Let's try landing on a Hexbug part. Did you see that? He's like, meow.
Hexbug part?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn. Turn. Turn in a circle. Go that way.
Look at it.
bro. Stop hitting your leg. Yeah! At least I landed on it. Didn't say I had to land perfectly. It's gonna go straight up. Look up. 3, 2. Dude, stop running so much.
I don't want to hit
Only
me.
take a couple steps back. Stop, you're just going. Oh wait, I'm going in circles.
My turn.
Has it been a minute and a half? Ow! Ow!
It's been 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
Oh yeah, that's been a minute and a half. Here, take it. I got it.
Well.
Keep it away from me.
Jackson, it was going towards you.
Turn it. Turn it.
Oh, no. He almost made it back.
Oh, died. Thanks for watching. Likes and subscribers. Bye.